Welcome back. Now in this tutorial you'll be learning how to download premium fonts into your Pixellab app. So let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to download an app called Zarchiver. 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 Then when you are done with that, the next thing to do is to now come to this website, dafont.com. So when you come to dafont.com, you have all kind of fonts that you want, that you will need for your design. So if you have a particular one in mind, you can just come to the search button and put it there. Okay, so that is about that. So I can put whatever it is that I want there, but that's not what I want to do now. So I want to download new font. So I will go to new fonts. Okay, so that is what I want to do. I'll go to new font. New font. I'm not asking for a question. New font. So I will go and download new font. Okay. So for those who need tutorial on how to download, they can use that. But for me, I just want to download new font. So I'll go to new font. Okay, I want to download this entropic brush. So I will click on download here. Download. And it is free for personal use. Okay, so since it is free, I can download it. Okay, so once I have downloaded, I've clicked on download. So it's trying to download here. Now it is done, so I can click on open. Okay. Now it's going to take me here because of my Zarchiver that I have already installed on my app. So it is this Zarchiver that is going to take up the job. And then what I need to do now is to just click on unzip. So I've unzipped it, then I can click on view. Okay, so that is all. All right, now since I have unzipped it, then I can now go back to my Pixellab. Okay, so when I get to my Pixellab, you must know the name of the font that you have downloaded. So let me go to my font. Okay, then this is my font here. So this is my font. I'll click on my font, then I'll click on this folder here. No, not this one. This one here. Let me use my brush. So I'll click on this folder. Okay, so once I click on it, let me move this one here. So I'll click on that folder, then I'll look for download because that font is downloaded into your download folder. So I will look for download, and then after I have seen download, I'll click on it. Okay, then I can now look for the name of the font that I want. No, this is not where I'm going. So I'll look for download. Okay, this is download. I'll click on download. Then I think it is entropic brush. Entropic brush. So I will look for that. I know it's something brush. So I will just look for, okay, this is entropic brush. So I'll click on it. Then I will now click on add directory. That's all. So you can see that it's already downloaded. So look at it here. This is it here. This one here. So that's it, and then you can apply it. You can apply it to your design. Okay, so that's it. So this is how to actually download premium font. I hope that is very clear. All right.